This is a rigid wing hang glider. It looks like a small airplane, but there's no engine, no fuel, just a person, the wind, and a glider so lightweight, around 30 to 40 kilograms, that it can be carried on the shoulders before takeoff. Designed to mimic the aerodynamics of an aircraft while staying completely lightweight. Unlike traditional flexible hang gliders, its solid wing structure gives it more efficiency and stability, making it look and function like a miniature plane. At takeoff, the pilot runs downhill, and as speed builds up, air flows under the wings, generating enough lift to pull the glider off the ground.